2018 Dodge Challenger can be anything you need, an accommodating all-season visiting auto, simply the thing for Friday night auto appears, a track tamer, or a drag strip champion. The 2018 Dodge Challenger is all-American muscle with an identity to coordinate. We give this lineup, which ranges from tame style symbol to drag strip tamer, a 6.8 out of 10. This year, Dodge has become the Challenger Euro TMS lineup to 16 unique trims, beginning with SXT and working its way through the all-wheel drive GT and V8 RT to the genuine stormers of the gathering, the SRT 392, SRT Hellcat, and SRT Demon. The Road Lawful Hot Rod Demona Euro TMS. The enormous news for 2018, yet very Euro TMS. Additionally, another wide body pack for the Hellcat, a recently standard rear view camera, and accessible Brembo brakes for RT models. The Challenger Euro TMS swagger is a Euro TMT. The main thing that a Euro TMS a return about this huge car. It rides on a Mercedes-Benz determined stage that goes back to the 1990s, and even the Challenger itself has a Euro TMT been completely upgraded since 2009. In any case, Dodge has completed a hell of a vocation staying up with the latest and upgrading its execution offer. With up to 840 drive on tap in the new 2018 Challenger SRT Demon, this roadster is not at all like whatever else out and about today. The lineup begins with the 305 drive, 3.6-liter V6 controlled SXT and GT, which both come only with an 8-speed program transmission. RT and TA models sub in a more fitting 5.7-liter V8 evaluated at 375 horsepower. A 485 horsepower, 6.4-liter V8 is shoehorned into the Challenger RT Scat Pack, TA 392 Hemi Scat Pack Shaker, and SRT 392 Challengers. For a large portion of us, those normally sectioned V8s offer all that anyone could need: control and AE Euro accessible with 8-speed programmed and 6-speed manual transmissions. We thought Dodge was crazy, however positively, when the SRT Hellcat with its supercharged, 707 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 showed up several years back with a decision between 6-speed stick and 8-speed program transmissions. Presently, Dodge has run far further with the 840 HP Challenger SRT Demon. The Euro TM will lift its front wheels about 3 feet off the ground as it rushes through the exceptionally vital quarter mile in a world record 9.65 seconds, Dodge says. Gratefully, purchasers get a day at the Bob Bondurant School of High Performance Driving with the $86,000 SRT Demona Euro. Although that a Euro TMS sort of like stating new a Euro to may fit the bill for neurosurgery after a semester of Biology 101. What a Euro TMS may be most noteworthy about the boldness of the Challenger Euro TMS lineup is its profundity. Indeed, even V6 models give respectable rushes and upwards of 30 miles per gallon, in addition to an open, agreeable lodge that can be equipped with dressy Napa calfskin and up to 18 Harman Kardon speakers. Generally, the AE Euro are peaceful and formed on the interstate and can hold their own, particular when the street gets twisty. In spite of the fact that check weights stop 4,000 pounds for everything except the base SXT, the Challenger corners well with better than average street criticism. While its Chevy Camaro and Ford Mustang rivals have shed weight and restrained, Germany Euro TMS celebrated internationally Nürburgring with an end goal to be genuine American games autos. The Challenger gladly waves its stars and stripes swagger on its sleeve.